Hey everyone,
Hi guys.
we're back. We're two cousins cooking, and today is our swap recipe day. Melanie picked chicken parm out of the pile,
Parm.
and I picked pierogi casserole.
Yes.
So, because it's already out,
Oh, look at you just getting along there.
I got to excuse the cord. We're renovating downstairs. So, 16 pierogi, 16 to 18 pierogies in a casserole dish. These pierogies are cheddar and bacon. The recipe calls for cheddar, but they only had cheddar and bacon at the store.
I use cheddar and bacon too. It gives it a little bit more of a kick.
So in a frying pan, I diced up an onion and sauteed it. Now I'm going to add, it said to pick up light garlic and herb cream cheese.
If you want the extra fat, just buy regular.
Yeah, the recipe was saying pick up a light. So this is 227 grams. And then I'm going to add that to the onion in my warm pan. Because you want it to melt. It's melting. And this is a cup to a cup and a half of cubed up ham. You can use ham steak or whatever. So we're going to dump that on with our cream. We're going to put it in with this cream. Like you can't really see the pan, My oven is preheated to 350. That's another thing. It asks for half a cup of milk to make it sort of like creamy.
I got to get rid of my grease, my thing, because it's turned brown. I don't want brown in my oil.
Half a cup of milk. And now I'll pour it all over the pierogies. Wow, that iron pan weighs a ton. And now it says to put a half a cup of shredded marble or mozzarella or cheddar cheese.
I use more, guys.
I'm just following what it says.
Looks good.
I'm going to pop that in the oven for, what was it, Mel? Like 30, 35 minutes?
35 minutes, I think it is, yep.
There. She's done.
Very quick.
Oh my gosh.
I had 4 thick ones, and I changed them to I cut them in half to make 8.
Then she made a dredging station.
I do. Here, I'll put this down, and Jerry will just walk me through it as.
Yeah. So she's going to, instead of a casserole dish, Melanie's going to put it on a cookie sheet so that she have enough room. So she's going to put 8 dollops of marinara on the cookie sheet, 1 for each chicken breast.
Yeah, now I got to get this off.
If you were using a casserole dish, put a little bit in the bottom of the casserole dish and spread it.
I bought Mazzetta.
Nice.
That's what I bought for. I'm just going to get a spoon. See, there's my.
And then on each bit of marinara, put a sprinkle, like a half a teaspoon or something of grated Parmesan cheese.
Okay. I'll put 6 for now and then I'll come back.
And if it, like I say, if it's casserole dish, just smear a little bit of the marinara on the bottom of your casserole dish, sprinkle some Parmesan.
Okay.
And now she's going to take each chicken breast and she's going to press it into the flour. You can press it 1 or 2 at a time, whatever.
Yeah, I'll bring it down a little.
That way you're creating like a moisture barrier. And then we're going to put it in the egg. And that gives a little bit more volume to your chicken. And then in your breadcrumb, Melanie and I like to use seasoned breadcrumb, but you can have plain breadcrumb and season it yourself. And then you can just put that aside and do the next one until you think you got enough to fit your frying pan, Mel.
Okay.
And then
Flour.
when we put it in the frying pan, sprinkle it with Parmesan, just a little bit on each side. Cook it about 3 minutes each side. And then lay it on top of your marinara and sprinkle it again with Parmesan. And then when you got them laid out on your sheet,
closer.
yeah, and then when you got them laid out on your sheet, you could get your mozzarella.
Don't want them drying out.
Nope. I'm just checking on my my pierogies. You said until it's heated through?
Yeah, usually till it's heated through. I always give it an extra 10 minutes of what it says.
Oh, okay.
Because, well, I like it really hot, right?
Yeah. I'm just
And
gonna.
I find sometimes it's just lukewarm.
Yeah, because they've been in there.
And you guys know we like cheese, so. And these are uncovered here?
Yeah, you're gonna leave them uncovered. Now you're just finishing cooking them in the oven, and basically that's when the cheese is all bubbling, and you know how cheese.
Salad and garlic bread with ours tonight.
Nice. So basic, and if you have a meat thermometer, you're looking at 165 for the finished, like that's how you know they're done. Show us what they look like, Mel.
Okay, I'm just waiting for this one to come out. Okay, just one sec, guys.
Yeah, and you can put Parm in on it in the sauce part of it too, if you want to, like each time that you put the sauce on. Depends on how much Parm you like. It's chicken Parm, so you're definitely going to taste Parm.
Okay, I'll take these over and show you before I pop it in the oven.
Looks delicious, Mel.
There we go. Yeah.
And
Throw the rest of this cheese on because.
You may as well. It's there.
Yeah. And everybody likes cheese, so.
And we'll take you back when our dishes are done. We'll show the melty goodness of the cheese. Hey, Mel.
Oh, I can't wait.
I'm just going to turn mine off and let the heat just stay warm in the oven until yours are ready.
Okay. A lot of cheese, man.
Thanks,
There.
Mel. Okay, thanks. Okay, guys, take them out of the oven. Melanie's is in the oven. And wait till you see it. It looks fabulous.
Let me see. Let me see.
One sec.
You gotta tilt me down. Oh, that's better. Oh, that looks good.
Looks good, eh? Look at the bubbliness. Want to grab a plate, Case? And a fork. And I'll scoop it on up. Oh my goodness, it looks so good, Mel.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
So good.
That'd be good with garlic bread too.
Look at the ham.
Would be.
Yeah. It's steaming.
Ooh, baby.
Looks good.
Tell Melanie what you think, Case.
Oh, he's gonna be polite anyway.
What?
I said he's gonna be polite anyway.
Mm,
Really good.
it is really
It would be
good.
good with some hot sauce too.
Yeah.
I always
Oh, that would be good. That would be good on it too.
Oh, Melanie, that is delicious. Delicious. Like I said, I'm going to share this recipe with Erin. She'd love it.
It's really warm, so I didn't really take that big of a bite. But
It's so good. Don't mind the mess, peeps. Graham, it's ready and it's delicious. We'll sit with Mel for a little bit.
We had it with garlic bread when we had ours too.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tasty. Definitely.
I think the cream cheese gives it that.
The cream cheese and mixed with the sauteed onions, I could eat by itself. And then when you add the pierogies that have the little bits of bacon in it,
Yeah.
and that's got cheese in it because it's stuffed with the cheddar cheese
Yeah.
and the potato and the bacon. And then you put more cheese on top. It's a plate of good. It tastes like heaven. It does. It's delicious.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, we like it cheesy.
Yeah.
And see, I make a double batch, so.
Yeah, actually, I was going to cut the batch in half, but I know Casey is definitely going to devour it. Just that
I mean, it won't last.
it won't last. I was afraid that the pierogies were going to be huge and that I was only going to do half batch. But like you said, they're not that big.
No,
You
they're
need
only,
about 16 or 18 and
yeah.
you put it in the casserole dish.
Well, like I said, they're only probably the size of your thumb.
Hmm.
So.
And they're so good. My dog's crying to go out. One sec, people. We're all walking with Melanie to the kitchen.
Okay.
Is that the smoke detector or the timer?
Smoke detector's not going off, so it might not be cooked.
That's like my house. Melanie, I'm laughing with you, not at you, girl.
I understand.
Mine, you wouldn't believe how many times I have to get Graham to unplug ours. Just till
Just
I
gonna
finish
put
cooking.
the, I'm just putting the garlic bread on a plate, so. Here, I'll move these down so you can see.
I can smell it from here, Melanie. It looks delicious. Good job, girl.
Smells good. Oh, I almost lost that one.
How's the chicken looking? All bubbly?
It's bubbly, you can hear it. I'm gonna take it out now.
Yeah, we had some more of what Melanie's recipe here, and oh my gosh, it's good, guys. You got to try it. Oh, that looks fantastic, Mel.
Here, I'll turn it so you can see.
Nice.
Put one on a plate and cut it just to
Double checking.
make sure I don't poison anybody. This one looks bigger, I guess.
Yeah, just pick the largest one and cut it in the middle. You'll know.
No, I don't. That's not even large. Okay, I'll put that one back. That is cooked.
It looks so good, Mel.
That does look good.
You did a great job. You go and enjoy. And we'll see everybody in the next episode of Deliciousness. Hey, Mel.
That's right.
Take care, everybody.
See ya.
Thanks for stopping by. Bye.